Welcome! In this video I'll guide you through the process of opening the pop-up roof. We recommend opening a door to ensure good ventilation before you start. First, unclip the entrance cover. Now, locate the 3 Velcro straps on the cloth bellows. Unfasten them like so. You'll also find securing belts on either side. Open these belts. Next, release the locking mechanism on each side. You should hear a click. Release the bar by undoing this strap and gently push up on the bar to raise the roof, which is fitted with gas struts to help make it light and lift smoothly. Continue lifting until it's fully extended. The sleeping area can support a weight of up to 200 kilograms, and when it's not required, you can lift the bed base in order to provide more headroom inside the car. Simply push up and the base will raise on gas struts. And that's it. The pop-up roof is now open. Thanks for watching.